Good evening. This PowerPoint is for my English class speech, and this week we're focusing on prepositions and prepositional phrases, as well as run-on sentences and how to avoid writing run-on sentences. This is what we would have discussed in class on tomorrow, but of course we do have a ice day, I guess you can call it, or a snow day, whichever one you like the best, we can call it that. But I'm going to allow you to watch this video and go and retake your quizzes online, because I added it as a exercise so that you can go back and redo it until you get a 100 on it. Okay. Let's move on. Preposition. A preposition is a word that shows a relationship between a noun or pronoun. That's pretty simple, right? You know what pronouns are, correct? Of course we do. We just discussed about a couple weeks ago. And a word that shows a relationship between a noun or pronoun and some other word in the sentence. The baseball player in the white shirt hit a home run. That's the preposition, in the white shirt, or the prepositional phrase, in the white shirt. So, what is it relating? The baseball player who hit the home run. Of course, you see it's circled in is the what? That's right, it's the preposition. The prepositional phrase is in the white shirt. In the white shirt is describing, of course, like I just said, the baseball player. A word that shows a relationship between a noun or pronoun and some other words in the sentence. Here are some prepositional words for the preposition. On, in, near, under, before, during, about, without. And of course on, I think it's either Tuesday or Wednesday, we'll do activity to help you understand these prepositional phrases as well. Object of the preposition. What's the object of the preposition? The object of the preposition is the noun or pronoun that ends a prepositional phrase. The baseball player in the white shirt. So what's the preposition? Sorry, what's the object of the preposition? Sorry. Shirt. Why? Because it ends the prepositional phrase. You do need to take notes and write this down. I'm sorry, I didn't tell you that in the beginning, but you do need to take notes and write all this down. You will be tested on it on Thursday night. Okay? Here are some objects of preposition. Of course, the prepositional are on, in, near, under, before, during, about, without. The objects of the preposition are boat, house, goat, mouse, moon, class, goon, or task. Always begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun. Prepositional phrase always begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun. Always. That's the rule you need to write down. Here's the exercise. Can you go ahead and take a couple of minutes, pause the video, and write sentences for these prepositional phrases. Like a chipmunk after the campfire, by a shimmering waterfall. Go ahead and pause the video and write sentences for those three examples. Adjective, prepositional phrase. An adjective in the prepositional phrase modifies a noun or pronoun. It answers the same questions as an adjective would. Which one, what kind, or how many. So this is a prepositional phrase acting as an adjective. The puppy in the shop window jumps up. So it's describing which one, which puppy jumps up. So now you have a prepositional phrase acting as an adjective. Okay. In the shop window, describing the puppy. Alright, now you have a prepositional phrase acting as an adverb. It answers the same question as the adverb would. Where, when, or how. And we discussed adverbs back in, I think, September. The puppy jumped to the food. To the food is the prepositional phrase, and it's answering the question, where did the puppy jump? You must memorize the prepositions. If you're going to do an activity to help you remember the prepositions as well on either Tuesday or Wednesday. If there is no object of the preposition, or if the preposition is not part of the phrase, then it is not a preposition. It is an adverb. Really? Oh, yeah. Amazing. Get that down again. Listen to that. If there is no object of the preposition, or if the preposition is not part of a phrase, then it is not a preposition. It is an adverb. The gecko climbed up the wall. The gecko climbed up. The gecko climbed up on the wall. Identify the prepositional phrase and the object of the preposition. Take a few minutes, pause this, and do this exercise really quick. The paper with the blue border is flowing through the air. Number 2, Jordan's eyes sparkle like a sunny day. And number 3, with great ease, Michael jumped up on the table. Okay. With the blue border is the what? Prepositional phrase, which is describing with the paper. The preposition is with. The object of the preposition is what? The blue border, or the border. We have another prepositional phrase within this sentence. Through the air. The preposition is through. The object of the preposition is air. And it's telling you where. Where. Which is a what? Adverb. The first is what? Adjective to be telling you what kind. Or which one. Number 2, Jordan's eyes sparkle like a sunny day. Preposition is like. The prepositional phrase is like a sunny day. And the object of the preposition is day. And it is describing, keyword describing, Jordan's eyes. So it's a adjective prepositional phrase. With great ease, Michael jumped on the table. With is the preposition. With great ease is the prepositional phrase. Ease is the object of the preposition. And it's telling you how, which is a adverb. Michael jumped on the table. On the table is the prepositional phrase. On is the preposition, and the table is what? That's like the object of the preposition. Very good. Adverb or preposition. We're going to clear this up for you, okay? Number 1, the tadpoles are below the surface of a pond. Okay. The tadpoles are below the surface of the pond. Write down which one you think is the adverb and which one is the preposition. So is below an adverb or is the preposition? And it's of, or adverb, or preposition. And we'll discuss this in class. I jumped up and Amy jumped down. Okay? It's up, an adverb, or preposition. Down, adverb, or preposition. It's Taylor, Nita. Which one is near? A for the preposition. Aaron looked across the bus to the purple-haired boy. Alright, across preposition or adverb, and to prepositional adverb. Alright, let's go to our next slide. Slide on the PowerPoint presentation real fast. This is going to run on sentences. Now, of course, we've been focusing a lot on your writing skills and how you write and how well you flow through your writing. And this is really going to help you to enhance your writing skills and just to help you to be able to join sentences correctly and complete your thoughts in a essay. Or whatever you're writing, it's going to help you to write more coherently. Run-on sentences. A run-on sentence is a sentence that contains two improperly joined sentences or independent clauses. Improperly. I mean, it's the way you can join them properly, but this is improper. There are two types of run-on sentences: fused sentences and comma splices. Sorry, if you need some more time, make sure you pause the video and then you can keep going. Okay. Fused sentences. A fused sentence occurs when two sentences are joined without any punctuation. Write this down. Incorrect. Some students think they can study for an important exam by cramming all night. They are probably wrong. There is no punctuation to separate those sentences. Comma splices. A comma splice occurs when two sentences are joined with only a comma. So there's no conjunction, nothing to join. The teacher told the students to complete the section on comma splices. She also told them to compose a 5-page essay. Okay, it's just both those sentences I can join with a comma only. 4 ways to correct run-on sentences. Number 1 is to use a period. For example, Miranda was the lead vocalist in her band. It was a punk rock band. Correctly write, Miranda was the lead vocalist in her band, period. It was a punk rock band. Number 2, use a semicolon. Incorrect way. Some students think they can study for an important exam by cramming all night. They are probably wrong. That's incorrect. Correct way. Some students think they can study for an important exam by cramming all night. Semicolon. They are probably wrong. Coordinated conjunction: and, but, yet, for, or, nor, so. This is how you can join sentences using coordinated conjunction. And of course, I told my other class that it's a really unique acronym you can use to remember this. It's just by saying fanboy. Fanboy, for and, but, for and, nor, but, or, yes. So fanboy. First, I went to the grocery store, then I went to the library. Correctly right, that is. First, I went to the grocery store, and then I went to the library. Add a subordinate conjunction or dependent word. Incorrect way. Maria and John like skiing. Karen does not. Although Maria although it's a subordinate conjunction. Although Maria and John like skiing, Karen does not. Some common subordinate conjunctions are after, although, before, unless, as, because, even though, if, since, until, when, and why. Alright. That that is the end of your slideshow. Please go back and redo your quizzes on today or whenever you watch this video. Make sure it's done and turned in on Tuesday, and we'll go over this class as well. You cannot stop taking the assessment Civic 100, so it'll be good class. So right now, see you on Tuesday, hopefully.